Whoosh.
Ladies and gentlemen, lock up your basements and your broken pipes. He's coming with tools and attitude. He knocks on my door with a monkey wrench. Smells like metal and a little bit of trench. Good evening, mister, he purrs with pride. My pipe is ready to be inside. He's got suspenders and plumber's crack. When he bends down, I don't hold back. Steam is rising, boots are tight. He fixes leaks all through the night.
To the curve flamboyant, what love. You turn the heat up, below and above. With every twist of your golden wrench, you unclog my soul and unbolt my French. Sexy plumber, you mighty desire. You ignite my central fire. Say it slow, I clean the drain, and I will never call Sven again. Sexy plumber from Poland, with love. Sexy plumber from Poland, with love. Sexy plumber from Poland, with love.
He hums a hymn, a Slavic tune, fixing pipes by the light of the moon. Problem is deep, he winks and grins.
But I go deeper, that's how love begins.
I come with pliers, and I leave with hearts.
Was that a leak?
Or just me melting? Sexy plumber from Poland,